Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Rajaram Gurwal and our today's topic is wrapper class in Java. Okay, the wrapper class provide the mechanisms to convert convert private into objects oriented into primitives. Okay, since J2SE 5.0 outboxing and unboxing features convert primitives into objects and objects into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion primitive into an object known as autoboxing and vice versa unboxing. Okay, use of wrapper class in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. So we need to deal with the objects many times, like collections, serializations, synchronizations, and etc. Let's us see the different scenarios where we need to use the wrapper class. Okay, first change the value in method. Okay, Java supports only call by value, so if we pass primitive values, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive values in objects, it will change the original value. Okay, serialization, we need to convert the objects into strings to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive values, we can convert in it in object throughout the wrapper class. Okay, and then synchronization Java synchronization work with objects and in a multi-threading. Okay, work in object in multi-threading. The synchronization java.util.package. The java.util.package provides the utility classes to deal with the object. Okay, collection framework. Java collection framework with the object only all classes of the collection framework: array list, linked list, vector, hash set, link hash set, tree set, priority queue, array queue, array queue. Okay, in the etc etc and deal with the object only. The 8 classes of Java-Lang package are known as the wrapper classes. In Java, the list of 8 of wrapper classes are given below. Like a primitive types and wrapper class. Then a boolean types character, byte, short, int, integer, long, float, and double. Okay, autoboxing. Autoboxing automatic conversion of primitive data types into its corresponding wrapper class is known as autoboxing. Into integer, long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, and double to double, and short to short. Since Java 5, we not need to use the value method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive into objects. Okay, then wrapper class example primitive wrapper class. Okay, then public class wrapper example public static void main string args, and then int a equals to 20, integer equals to integer I equals to integer value of a, and then integer j equals to a out of box now compiler of the will write a integer value of a internally. Okay, system.println a plus operator and plus I plus j. Okay, it is all of wrapper class. Okay friends, thank you, bye.